Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a case unboxing. We actually have a case in, which is actually the newest case so far, and I am super excited to open this up, see what's inside. I know that this thing does look a little, there's a little crease right here where the box took a little impact, but not too bad compared to kind of some of the cases I've had recently. But before I get started with the unboxing, I do want to point out I still have a giveaway going on my merch store. I'm giving away this Hot Wheels Elite 64 mod shop. With this thing, you can actually build an Elite 64 Toyota Tacoma. There's a whole bunch of different parts, a bunch of different layouts you can go with. This thing is brand new and it's going to one of you guys for free. And here's like another one that I got for myself and kind of the layout that I went with. I added all these cool accessories and stuff on it, which I think is pretty awesome. But if you guys do want to pick up, or if you guys want to get a chance to win this, all you have to do is hop onto shopemptyparadise.com. Whenever you pick up some Hot Wheels, including cars that are going to be in this case, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. I have all the rules and instructions on there. It's super easy. You just automatically get applied when you make purchases. But like I said, there's going to be a link in the description down below, so definitely go check it out if you want to get entered into this giveaway. It does end at the end of the month, and it's very close, like a couple of days, so definitely go check it out. And the Hot Wheels that are in this case will be available on my store as this video goes live. If there's any like heavily damaged ones, they will not be on there, but for the most part, they will be on there. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and move this out of the way and get started with the case unboxing. Let's go ahead and carefully lay this on its side. I don't want to really shift the cars around too much. Alright, they probably did get a little beat up in shipping, but for the most part, they're usually in pretty good condition. But here we go. Alrighty. And I don't know what the majority of these cars are. Every time somebody posts online and they have like pictures and videos of like unboxing, I usually try not to look at those, so I'm surprised whenever I do these unboxings. So start up right on top and pull them out and see what we got. Oh, we got some awesome cars so far. Got the Ford Performance Supervan 4, and then we have a 1973 Honda Civic Custom, which looks really cool, and then the Revenger ST. Alright. Wow. Okay, we got a car I'm really looking forward to. There's the Diora 3, but we got the Nissan Skyline GTR R33. That is the Godzilla car in gray. We did recently see this in white, and the thing was absolutely amazing. But this is the new gray version, and let me know what you guys think about that. I think this car is absolutely incredible. It's a matte gray, and it just looks so good. I'm kind of hoping that I do get a damaged one because I do Hot Wheel races every single day as YouTube shorts. And whenever I get damaged Hot Wheels, I open them up, put them on my racetrack. This one's in like perfect condition, so it will be on my merch store. So definitely go check that out. Link in the description down below if you guys want to pick that up. First come, first serve, and I'm not sure how many are going to be in this case. So definitely go check it out if you guys are interested. And then we also have a Heavy Hitcher, which is a really cool, also gray, but then has some green accents, which looks amazing. Alright, man, this case is already starting off awesome. Oh, wow, okay. This is amazing. Alright, so we have the 57 Chevy, which I'm not super excited about, which does look really nice, though. But we have the DMC DeLorean, if you guys don't realize why this is so special. This is actually the treasure hunt for the case. Right there is the treasure hunt logo, and this thing looks absolutely incredible. Oh my gosh. Alright, there you go. You can kind of see the treasure hunt logo right there behind the car. Man, I cannot believe I got this. And it almost has like a Zamac finish to it. Yeah, it definitely does have like a Zamac finish, which looks really, really good. And you got that black and like kind of teal color. And once again, I kind of hope that I can find a damaged one in the stores at some point. This one's in great condition, so I don't plan on opening this up at all. But man, if I can get one that's damaged at some point, I would love to add this to my personal collection of my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. And then we also have a Max Steel. I'm going to set the DeLorean aside so nothing happens to it. And then we shall proceed on. Ooh, we got some cool cars in this pull. So we got a 49 drag Merc, which also has like that Zamac finish, and it's not an official Zamac. So this thing is pretty cool as well. And like I said, it's like the exact same finish. If you hold them side by side, you could not tell the difference. Then we also have a 1967 Ford GT40 Mark IV. And then we have a Donut Drifter. right. Ooh, okay, we got another Dior 3. We have a 64 Chevy Chevelle SS in a really nice yellow color. And then we also have a Hot Wheels High. Man, this case is looking real good so far. I'm so excited. We have a 92 Dodge Viper RT10, Batman and Robin Batmobile, and the Dune Daddy. Oh, that's cool. So we have another Batman and Robin Batmobile, but we have the tuned Mazda RX3, and it's actually the Mad Mike version, and we did recently see this in orange, and I think this white one with the white, or the white with the blue, and then the gold rims looks really, really good. Wow, that is such a cool car. And then the front license plate says Trouble on it, which is pretty cool. And then we also have the Hot Wheel 4-track. And if you guys are interested in this as well, this will be on my merch store. So definitely go check it out. And as this video goes live, it will be available. Let's see what else we... Oh, that's one I've been excited about. Got the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. I think it's the off-road version of the Lamborghini Huracan. That is super awesome. Man, I absolutely love that. And we also have the Toyota GR86 Cup and the Proper Chopper. I'm also hoping I get a damaged Sterrato because I do want to add that to my collection as well. Ooh, okay, we got some trucks in this pull. Got a 67 Chevy C10. We did see that before in like a tan color with some red accents. It's kind of like a reverse version of that. And we have a 23 Ram 1500 and then the Rapid Pulse. Right. Oh, wow. This is also a very beautiful car. The Porsche 911 Carrera keychain. This thing is absolutely amazing. We did see it in all silver before, which I actually do have one on hand, coincidentally. That's what it looked like before when it first came out. Now this is the new recolor, white top, blue bottom. Looks absolutely insane. And then we also have another Ford Performance Supervan 4 and a 91 GMC Cyclone. All right. We have a Revenger ST, a Quick Bite, and a Hirohata Merc. And, ooh, this is kind of heavy. Wow, that looks cool. So we have a 2016 Ford GT Race, which looks really crazy. The colors on that look amazing. And, wow, I kind of want to... Man, there's so many of these cars I want for my personal collection in this case. This is such a beautiful case. This will be available on my merch store if you guys are interested, so definitely go check that out. We also have a Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966 and the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. Man, that's the final cars for the first half of the case. Let's pull out the little divider here and go ahead and get started with the bottom half. Oh, we got another tuned car with this pull. But there's the Batman and Robin Batmobile, and we got the tuned Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. That is such an awesome car. And we also have a new color on the Custom 72 Chevy Love. Man, that looks so cool. Oh, we got another cool Porsche. We got the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS in a really nice red color. We did see it in silver before. Have another 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV and a Quick Bite. Ooh, okay, we got a sushi tuner. But a BMW M3 wagon now in red. We saw it in blue in the previous cases. And I think in red it looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think of that. Then we also have the 99 Ford F150 SVT Lightning in silver. Well, this one's kind of shaped really weird. Let's see what that is. Oh, okay. Oh, that's interesting. It's a small block. It's like a fantasy car, which looks pretty interesting. I've never seen that before. And then we have a King Cuda, which is actually a Barracuda. And that's actually it was the King of Hearts themed, which is pretty cool. And then we have the Hot Wheel 450F dirt bike. Let's see. Ooh, okay, we got another BMW M3 wagon, another Dune Daddy, but we have a 2016 Bugatti Chiron finished in red. That thing looks absolutely incredible. Wow, let me know what you guys think of that one. Man, I love when Hot Wheels brings out more Bugattis. Like, you don't really see them much, but recently with the Bolide and then that one, man, that's pretty awesome. Ooh, okay, we got another Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk tuned, another Lamborghini Huracan Storado, and another 23 Ram 1500. Man, this case has so many amazing cars. I just love it. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay, we got another one of my favorite cars I've been excited about. There's the Piranha Terror, a 63 Studebaker Champ, which looks really nice. But we have a Porsche 911 Rally, which looks absolutely amazing. Has that Rothman's kind of livery on it, and it's like that off-road style, kind of like the, the Dakar. And man, oh my gosh, that looks so cool. So we have this and the Lamborghini Storado, or Huracan Storado. We've got a couple off-road like supercars, which is absolutely amazing. Man, I'm excited about that one. Like I said before, some of the other cars, hopefully I can find a damaged one, be able to open up, add to my personal collection. But until then, these will be on my merch store. We have a 96 Nissan 180SX Type X. We have a 68 Dodge Dart, which looks really nice in that maroon color. And then a Surf and School Bus. Ooh, we have another 96 Nissan Type X. A Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. And a Rapid Pulse. Man, we still have not seen the Super Treasure Hunt or the regular variant of it, so there's still the chance that the Super might be in this case, and we're getting kind of down real low, so I'm curious if we're going to get it or even get close. Let's see. But there's the Hover Storm, a 86 Audi Quattro, or sorry, 87 Audi Quattro, and then we have the Surfing School Bus. Oh, we did not get the Super. We did get the Hirohata Merc, a small block, and the Solero GT is the car that would have been the Super Treasure Hunt, and we did not get that. But honestly, like, I feel like out of all the cars they could have used, I'm not a huge fan of when they use like a kind of fantasy car as a Super. I feel like it's kind of a waste, but this does look pretty cool. And then I think we still have a few more cars left. Let's see what the final card. Oh, heck yeah. We got another Porsche 911 Rally, a Corvette Stingray, and a Piranha Terror. Wow, what a case. Like, there are some really awesome cars that were in this case. Let me know which one was your guys' favorite. And like I said, if you do want to get entered into the giveaway, shop mtparadise.com. There's going to be a link in the description down below. Get entered into this. Like I said, this is brand new, never opened, and it's going to one of you guys. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. If you guys did enjoy the video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.